In this video, we are going to do an implicit differentiation problem. Let x to the fourth plus x squared times y squared plus x cubed equal 5. Find dy dx by implicit differentiation. So first we're going to want to take the derivative of both sides of this equation with respect to x. So that means d dx of x to the fourth plus x squared plus y cubed, and then also the derivative of 5 with respect to x. Okay, so the right hand side is easy. We're taking the derivative of a constant, so that's just going to be 0. Now for the left hand side, we can break this up into the derivative of x to the fourth with respect to x plus d dx of x squared y squared plus d dx of y cubed. Now, if we start with d dx of x to the fourth, that's easy. That's just going to be the derivative of x to the fourth like we would normally take it, so that's 4x cubed. Now for the next part, the derivative of x squared times y squared, we're going to want to use the product rule. So how does the product rule apply in this sense? So this is going to be x squared times d dx of y squared plus y squared times d dx of x squared. And so what is that? Well, d dx of y squared is just 2y times dy dx, and we have plus y squared, and then we have d dx of x squared, which is just 2x. Okay, so we have this 4x cubed in front. We have all this, but let's not forget we also have d dx of y cubed. So that's going to be 3y squared times dy dx. So we can add that on here. Okay, now what is it we want to do? Well, we want to solve for dy dx, which we see we have here and here. So we can start by isolating those. So let's subtract everything else from the other side. So what does that mean? That means I want to subtract 4x cubed from both sides and 2xy squared. So I have x squared 2x squared y times dy dx plus 3y squared times dy dx equals minus 4x cubed minus 2x y squared. Now if I factor out the dy dx from both sides, or both things here, I get dy dx times 2x squared y plus 3y squared. And on the right hand side, I can factor out a minus 2x. So this becomes minus 2x times 2x squared plus y squared. Now how do I isolate dy dx? Well, I can just divide both sides by 2x squared y plus 3y squared. So we get that dy dx equals minus 2x times 2x squared plus y squared all over 2x squared y plus 3y squared. And that is our final answer. If you want, you can also factor out a y from the denominator. So we can write this as minus 2x times 2x squared plus y squared all over y times 2x squared plus 3y. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.